Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are spending the day with...
Hello. No, it's fucking cringe as shit.
Hello everyone and what? Oh, come on.
Buddy.
Hello everyone and today is a very... You know what? This. Oh. It's gonna be a fun day. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so first up, refueling because we're at 120 kilometers of range and today we're driving a lot. Alright.
We are on private empty roads.
Yes, do not
do this anywhere else.
Dude, what the? Bro, you know we have 700 Newton-meters of torque.
Wow, that's a lot of torque.
Yeah,
that's like too many.
Sounds incredible.
Make sure you take like 3 spots.
Let's get iced tea. Good? Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Peach in a can.
The peach in a can. It's loud.
I guess we should leave. Why people buy an electric?
Facts, bro. Facts. Pizza is always good cold, so we're either debating between getting one of these or a manouche.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we grabbed the food, now we're headed out to Sannine. Joe is here, this is a proper introduction to Joe. He's one of my followers and he's always loved being in an RS6, so I told him today I have a review and he's coming with us. Alright guys, we have made it to Sannine. Now honestly I expected more snow on the road, so we're gonna drive up until we get to snow. This car sounds so freaking good. Camera guys, everybody's shooting with the camera. What do you got?
A74
oh
with A5 1.4 Sigma.
Yeah.
Let me show you what it's all about.
Yeah, come on, shoot.
As you can see, oh my god, these pictures are going to be...
You got it? That's it. That's the shot. Alright guys, so everybody's in the car and we are going to be taking some driving impression. Everything is in dynamic. The car, despite having a bit of body roll, it does handle very well, especially over road bumps. We have obviously a dual clutch transmission, which is very quick, and it does sound really nice from the back. Obviously with those pops, the farts, Audi's DSG farts or dual clutch farts. Basically how it does that, unburnt fuel is sent through the exhaust system, and because we have 8 cylinders, so there's a lot of fuel that's being sent through to the bag. There we go. I have a 4-liter twin turbo V8, Audi's very famous V8, and because it's a 2013, none of that OPF, you know, sound deadening bullshit that we have in these new generations. This thing is as raw as it gets. Downshifting again into second, and I mean, it's such a fun car to drive. You do not feel how heavy it is. It's a huge car. It's massive. I mean, the guys are fitting very comfortably in the car. You can fit a family of 4 very easily. But I mean, and you can do all this stuff with your family. It definitely does 0 to 100 in less than 4 seconds. Amazing. The handling, the seats to hold you in well, honestly. But I mean, the way it puts that power down. Speed limit exceeded. We went over 60 kilometers an hour. That's it. That's a top speed today. I love the instrument panel. As I mentioned, the gauges are tilted, you know, outwards. So I really like it. I don't have a center display, and I love analog gauges. Honestly, just you can feel the power of that needle going up and down. It's much more satisfying than having a digital speedometer. Vlog, basically we're gonna have some food, lunch / breakfast. The plan for today is to find a spot where there's snow, but not too much snow, just enough snow, you know what I mean? The spot we're going to right now, yummy. I got no snow and it's good. What a type.
You need help.
Describe the RS6, 3 words.
Sexy fatty monster.
Eargasm.
Oh yeah, I want to use that. Okay, orgasmic torquey.
Very torquey.
It's practical.
But the newer one is more aggressive.
Yes. That has good pizza.
Comment إذا بدكم تشوفونا بالشنطة. And Ghadi is now dead, so I'm gonna drive the RS6 back.
1, 2, 3, smile. So just to give you a sense of what the RS6 is like to drive basically, and this is the key fob. Joe is going to close the automatic tailgate. Now this is a 2013 model, so it's like the early models of the C7. Alright guys, so I had to mention this is a 2013 model because the interior is really not showing its age. It's almost 11 years old, but I mean still looks very well equipped. The seats are super comfortable, and obviously you get the RS6 bulky seats with the quilting, typical Audi seats honestly, with the red seat belts. I mean this is really a nice touch. So things I appreciate in these older model cars where they try to do, you know, some exciting stuff is the screen. You can see how it opens up. You know, it still looks really good. The gauges are honestly one of my favorite parts of this whole driving experience. They're angled slightly, you know, towards that display. And the steering wheel is pretty chunky in your hands. It's flat bottom. And then the gear selector, you know, it's like a ball shape. It's really fun to use as well. You upshift and downshift like on typical VW products. So the minus is towards you. The whole dash is finished in carbon fiber, which is glistening now under the sunlight. Turn on. A smile, lad. Can't see anything.
Going on to the unknown.
Oh, amazing!
Made it to snow.
Yes, finally. Finally. We do have park assist. Oh my god, but we need to use that. Reverse. Let's see if it's gonna. Oh, wow. Oh my god, guys, it's reversing into the snow. How lovely is that? Stop. Please stop. Shut the. Alright guys, so I guess this is going to be it for the video. So now we are heading back home. We're still spending some amazing time with the RS6. But I mean, yeah, this is, I guess, our vlog here. Okay, so the challenge is who hits the RS6? Who hits the RS6 first? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes!
Oh, you actually got the going.